viewable to everyone? Okay, great. So hello everyone. So this is, I think we are introducing the new LabVIEW user group for the geographical location of Hyderabad and Telangana. So it mostly covers, like, you can talk about Andhra Pradesh as well, the new outside the periphery of Hyderabad, most of the part. So this group is mostly, I think we have been talking about a lot many geographical location groups. So I'm very thankful that Ram and Anish and everyone have basically made this particular kind of an environment where people can interact with the LabVIEW developers, the engineers and the scientists in the local peripheral area and try to come up with the problems, collaboration, and lot many things can be usually done with this kind of LabVIEW user groups. So here in this LabVIEW user group, so mostly we basically we two are the coordinators. So one of is Vara Prasad. So he's a CLD and he has around a decade of LabVIEW application development experience. He's currently working in Honeywell. And me myself, Dashrath, so who is basically who used to earlier work for National Instruments and ex-certified NI trainer, currently working in automotive domain about like for around 7 years and mostly onto the self-driving cars. So what we will planning to do is like just a quick introduction of both of us. So now there is a basically a LabVIEW user group which has a forum link that you can see on the screen. So there is a link also available. So what we are trying to do is like we're not trying to connect to as many as people, the developers, the LabVIEW users who are available in the geographical location, trying to collaborate with them and then try to make some events. I think most of the things, the rules and everything which already have been talked about many geographical location group and everything. So it's one of the very wonderful and maybe one of the very good initiative that has been taken by the team and everyone. So to make accessibility to everyone. So basically, when I started working with LabVIEW, it was like I started because being an part of an NI. So then I got introduced to LabVIEW, then started working on LabVIEW. So there was something gap like between a user, a developer. So whenever issue he faces, like he has to search for the in the LabVIEW user group on the website and everything. Sometimes it being the issues are very not common, like very unique issues. So we would like to try to address those or maybe try to connect with the people, the LabVIEW application, what they're trying to do, and make the things very much easy, accessible to everyone. So this is just a quick introduction of this particular group, and there are a lot many things that we can be doing over here. So, so we are basically open for the collaboration, and lot many things on will be coming up soon. So I would recommend everyone in this geographical location can try to use this forum link and then try to join the group. We'll be talking about lot many events and many activities that will be carried out. And yes, so basically, yes, so thank you everyone. And we are mostly open for the collaboration. And since it's a new group and we are just trying to reach as many as people, as many as LabVIEW developers. And in case if you have any questions or anything onto the LabVIEW user group and maybe basically on the Hyderabad site, Hyderabad LabVIEW user group, so you can connect, you can contact me. So we have an open. So basically, it becomes sometimes difficult to get in touch with by trying to connect with the forum link and everything. So we have a LabVIEW WhatsApp group as well. So we have a lot many people available there. So we can try to connect and make things work properly. Yeah. So this is a quick introduction of introducing Hyderabad LabVIEW user group. So Ram and maybe Anish, it was really great, and it's a very good opportunity to get in touch with everyone.
That frame system.
Yes. Thank you.